What does mantra do for you?
I think for 35 years, mantra has had a big impact on my life. When I first met Muzz way back in the 70s, I found that mantra was the one way that I could really feel the energy tingling through my body. I've heard people talk about it, but with mantra, you feel it throughout the whole body.
Okay, lovely. And the second question is, I know that you've been coming year after year, for, as you've already explained, for many years to Muzz's workshops. What brings you back year after year?
Well, I think the simple question would be Muzz. Muzz is a very powerful presence. He has a tremendous energy and vibration. I've learned a phenomenal amount from him, but also because of this energy, it's the one thing that really sort of fires up my yoga practice. And I work with it at home, and the sound vibration probably has meant more to me than anything visual, particularly for meditation. So it's led me into much deeper meditations than I've ever experienced using other techniques.
Can I ask you what you get from mantra? Because you've been coming many years.
I get a profound sense of stillness and peace from coming to your workshops, Muzz. And when I come, that I just feel that my spirit, my soul is totally kind of cleansed. And I go back again and go back to my normal life, and it sustains me for longer.
And the second question, Advaita, is, because I know you've come for many years, you've done many of Muzz's workshops,
right.
So what brings you back year after year to him?
I think Muzz's teaching is really quite amazing and really so profound and very beautiful. So, and I come back to really kind of feel spiritually cleansed, and that's why I come back. And because I enjoy it, I find it very relaxing. I find his style of teaching very inclusive, very loving.
I would say it brings me to myself. It just gives me an experience of that stillness. I think it's healing, gives me energy, peace, calm, the whole package.
That's great. And I know that you've come for many workshops over the years. What brings you back year after year?
Well, Muzz is just a master. I don't know anybody who does mantra like Muzz, and he, in my opinion, is the best at mantra and has such a wide range of knowledge. It's quite incredible.
Yeah. I understand this is your first time doing anything. If you could say how it's affected you, what you felt about it.
Well, I was trying to put this in my trying to explain the feeling to myself, and the closest I could come to was that it's a cosmic taxi ride to stillness. And yeah, it's amazing, and getting to know the different intricacies of each mantra and the after effects of sitting there in the stillness, and I'm loving it.
And you too could be loving it if you decide to join us on a mantra and Advaita retreat from the 5th to the 9th of September. Let me know.